Good afternoon. This is Neal from Returning to Basics. Today I'm going to be working on compost bins. I've got a little video clip that I'll show you here in a moment of what we have now. But I'm going to be taking these pallets here and we're going to be making some better new receptacles for our compost. Come and go with me. Okay, you can see that I have already started by standing some of the pallets up against the fence there and creating some new space. We didn't have that space utilized for compost, but we've decided since we got enough pallets that we're going to do that. But you can see that I'm using one pallet on its side horizontal, then another one in the back, and then I'm coming out with another one. And then I'm continuing that down through there, and so I've taken 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pallets to make 3 bins. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4 more, so it looks like I'll be able to get 2 more bins down on this end. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this. As you can see, you can look through here, on the very far end down there, I have some black gold, what's left of it. That's 3-4 year old compost. But then those leaves right there are only part of last year's, and the grass clippings the same. And these right here in the front of us are from the magnolia tree that we cut down earlier, and you saw that video. I'll link that to this one in the description. But I'm going to move this. I'm going to move these down, and I'm going to scoop all those things out, and I'm going to put them in these bins, and I'm going to try and sort them by age. And the whole goal of the process is on the far right or on the far left, depending on which you choose, you put your compost in that year and you let it age for a year, and you let it break down and decompose, and then you move it over to the next bin, and then that year you put the new compost in that bin that you just emptied, and you continue to move them down so that by the time they get to bin 3 or 4, those bins full of compost are perfect for putting on your garden and using for potting soil and whatever. So I'm gonna get dirty, get sweaty, and get busy here. Old Russian kale, and I don't want to put it in there with all those seeds, because as sure as I do, whenever we put this out for compost, it will come up in whatever bed we put it in. So I'm going to use this in a different way. That's grapevines, so I'm moving this over here. We'll put it in another compost pile some other time. And I'm sure that I'm boring you by shoveling, so we'll cut away and come back after I've moved all of these and let you see me beginning to put these other bins in. I changed my mind. I realized that we needed to put 4 sides on these, or it will all fall out into the front. We'll never be able to manage a full bin. So what I've done is I've moved this one. I'm going to wire these together like I've done all the other ones. We're going to make a closed bin here. You just run your wire around like this. Tie them off good, tight. Loop it there a few times, cut it off, fold it in. That one's wired in. Now I'll wire it in over here on this. closed bin. Pull it tight. Do it down here at the bottom to hold them together, or they will come apart. There we have it, a good tight bin. Now I can continue to fill that until it's up over the top. And we can water this. Allow it to go through the heat this summer and it'll break down. That'll be a good bin. I'll do the same. I'll continue to move those down here. I'll get it mostly full, put a front on it. I won't have as many bins, but I'll have more capacity. So that's what I'm doing now. That's all magnolia leaf compost. The rest of this are regular oak leaves and grass clippings. Good oak leaf clippings, good oak leaves that have been run through. They've been run through the lawnmower and bagged, so they have been chewed up some. And they're lighter than they look. They're not heavy at all. I would imagine if they're wet they would be heavy, but these are not, they're dry. Grass clippings, they weigh nothing. But this is what we're looking for, right here. This is our goal, right here. 3 years ago, that was leaves and sticks and grass, you name it. That's what it was. And with a good compost system, compost bin system like this, you'll be able to produce that yourself. There you go after all that sweat. All that's cleaned up. And I have 3 nice new bins. One empty to be able to move the compost in year 2 over into here. And these 2 are about the same age. This one is newer here on the end. This one is about a year old. And so that's what you can accomplish with some old pallets from some friends like our friends at Ashley Lighting in Truman, Arkansas. They gave me those pallets. I really appreciate those guys. And we'll put another bin right there. We'll get another 3 and put them there. 2 maybe. That one's not very good, so we'll probably get 3. Put another bin there, and then we'll have a 4-year rotation for all of those. So there you go. Compost bins right here in the yard. Any of you can do it. Your leaves, your grass, your different clippings and things off of things like our muscadine grapevines, all those can get composted into these bins and end up turning into black gold that'll go in your flower pots, go in your raised beds. It works great, and it's all free, and it's natural. So thanks for coming along with us today. I really appreciate you spending the time with us and you joining us. Hey, hit the like button, subscribe, share this with a friend. Most of all, comment down below and tell me what you think about these. If you've done something similar, if you have a question, or if you have something just to say, let us know. Thanks. God bless you. Have a super day.